My salute. To God be all the glory. That is my sign. Good day to all mga kasama. First of all, I would like to thank to our God, the Almighty Father, for all the guidance and protection to all members of UCCW. Congratulations also to all of us for the success of the first founding anniversary since the start of United Citizens Crime Watch. Siguro hindi ko na matandaan yung kasamahan ko kung sino pa yung iba. But to all members of UCCW, very, very appreciated the effort, the aggressiveness, the hard work, and the activeness of all officers and members, especially, siyempre, ang founder ng United Citizens Crime Watch natin. No other than Dr. Marvin Geron, National Founding President. At siyempre, ang Vice President natin na si Attorney Brian Barty. At saka si Attorney David Castillon, ang National Chairman ng UCCW. At ang National Legal Counsel na si Attorney Jeff Martinez. At hindi ko siyempre makalimutan ang pinakamagaling kong pinsan, UCCW Vice President Visayas, walang iba, my dear cousin, Miss Vivian Wines. God bless Philippines. God bless United Citizens Crime Watch. God bless all the members of UCCW. May my Lord guide us always. To God be all the glory. Regards to all and more power to all UCCW members. Thank you and good day.